everybody, today we're going to talk about cactus. Is cactus spiky? Cactus are very spiky. Look at their sharp spikes. They're green. They live in deserts because when they take the water in and they protect it with their own spikes. If anyone touches, ow, ow. Let's see if Farid could touch it.
The top
is very light, but the edge is very sharp.
Ow!
See? Ow, ow, ow. See, it could make your blood come out. So, if you find a cactus is very rare, from the top a flower is gonna come. Look, sometimes it has a hand. Cactus rock. Cactus will always help you. Sometimes it wouldn't, but when earthquakes come, it's very helpful. We don't have water, right? We could cut the cactus and get water because it's a desert living thing. When plants live in desert, it keeps the water, and so that's why it has protection. Get it or not? Cactus always helps you. Cactus sometimes pokes people and gives them, like, kills them sometimes. Sometimes they give death, sometimes they give hurt.
Or sometimes, when the cactuses, they take the water, and in deserts when people go there, they don't get water. But then when they cut the cactuses, they squish the cactuses, they get the water, they drink it. That's how the cactuses help a lot in deserts.
Yeah, and cactuses are very great plants. See you in cactus.